Okay guys, how's it going? Dial Optic, gonna be showing y'all another camo or another style. Uh, it's a splatter style camo. Um, can't really tell right there, but it's gonna be a base of a tan with OD green and dark brown and tan over the top. So I'm gonna lay that to the side. Yeah, OD green, tan, and dark brown. You're gonna need a glove for this. Now what I'm gonna do is I will be making this a rustic colored rifle later on. I have just finished painting this rifle, but I'm not really satisfied with it, so I'm gonna repaint it. I'm gonna leave this the color it's at, and I'm gonna take the optic rails and my foregrip off. I'm not gonna paint this, so just these two pieces I'm gonna be painting. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started by taking those off. Make sure it's good and shut. And start off with the base color. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. Not really. You're gonna spray it on your fingertip. And just flip it. We're gonna grab this brown and do the same thing. And that'll give you a good flick camo. Gonna do a little tan. On the side of that. And just kind of get it however you want it, you know, really, it's all in your, what you prefer. That's about it, guys. We'll lay these two up where they'll dry quicker, and I will show you all the finished product in a minute. So, yeah. Okay guys, it's kind of mid-process of drying. I can go ahead and show y'all how it looks. It's a very unique look. It's kind of a digital look, I guess, but it's a splattery look, digital, you know. Again, it's kind of like its own digital look. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. No, I did. So yeah.